Hello friends, today I'm going to demonstrate about PHP database connection and cookies. So for that I have to create a database first, and then here I am supposed to make a login and register system. So first I have to make the connection with the connector PHP. Then I have to write the registration form followed by the passwords, uh, and then I have to write the login form and another to reset the password. And when it's done, I have to make a cookie to remember the password and so on. So here is my code. So the first one I have is connect.php. So this is used to create a connection. So I have a connection variable $connection. Then MySQL connect function is used, and localhost, the hostname, root, and the password and the username. Otherwise, die the connection here. It shows the connections. Then the database, to access the database, I have MySQL select database, lab connection, or die function, that is, it will show the connection error. So after that I have index. So this here I have to set the cookie. So if already it's there, so it will give me a welcome page. It will direct me to the welcome page. If not, then I have, for this, in this part of the code, I have the error, the code to handle the errors. So I have a variable called ERR, and if this variable is equal to succeed, then it will show me register. If fail, then it will show wrong authentication. And if I have to change my password, I have a variable called SSEDU. Then for that, it will be showing successfully changed password. And here I have simply made the form, and so if the password is forgotten, so it will direct me to the forgot.php and so on. So another one I have is the login page. So for that also I'm getting the username, password, and the remember password. Then I have encrypted my password using SHA1 and passing this variable password. Then I am using the query. So my query is select username from experiment number 7, where username is equal to user and password is this encrypted password I have here. And then I am with my, if there is a number of rows, that is, if this becomes true, then it gives me the username, or otherwise if the if set, I'm setting the cookies. So if set cookie username, then I'm setting the cookie for 24 hours. So if it's successful, then it will direct me to the location called welcome. So the next one I have is register. So in that I have to, I just made the form of registration. Here I'm taking username, password, phone number, etc. Then here also the same thing, that is, I have a code for handling the errors. So if my password doesn't match, this part of the file will be executed, and if the error is equal to user, that is, if it already exists, then it will be giving me that username already exists. So the next one I have is check duplicate, to check the duplicate password. So here I have, I require connect.php to connect. Then I again get my required data in user mobile password. Then if it's not set, then the location, it will give me an error message. And if not, then I run this query, that is, select username from table name, where username is the given input user username. So if the result, if the query is true, then if the result is here, it will give me the insertion. Otherwise, it will give me an error message over here. And now I have a welcome page. It is simple. Here I have set the cookie using if set, then the cookie, and the name, username, that is, it will echo welcome. Otherwise, if it is set from the session, it also gives me this welcome message. Now I have the forgot, so it is used for if the user forgets the password. So here I have made the forgot password. I have this page, this form I have. So where I have to give again my password. Then here I have my error handling code. It is similar to the previous one I showed, and here I have connect.php. I require for connection. Then again I take these variables and I check for the error. So if there is if my password, I'll give my password as an input, and it will run this query, that is updating update set password. So it will set the new password for this, and after this my password will be successfully saved. Mm, so I will show my output. So here is my output. Suppose I give some username abcd, username. Suppose my password is 1111. Again I give my password as 11. Then click on submit button. So it's showing me register. So I give abcd and my password is 1111. Then I submit it. It shows welcome abcd. So if suppose I forgot my password, so it will ask my username, it's abcd, and my mobile number 1234, and is my password. So to confirm my password, I'll give a new password. Suppose I give 5555 and confirm my password 5555, and then I submit. It's giving me wrong mobile number. So my mobile number was 123 So if I'm trying to register it again, it will show username already exists, register again. So I'm giving a new password, new register name, Sathi, mobile number 7777, password, I'm giving Sathi, confirm password, Sathi, and submit. So it's registered. Now I'm logging. Reset password. Now I give my password as ABC. I'm gonna confirm password as ABC. And I submit. So successfully changed password. So now I register again. So if I register it wrongly, I get wrong authentication. So now I'm again registering. So this time I give my username as NU, mobile number as 1111, my password as 1111, and confirm password as, and I submit. So register. So now I'm logging in. So if I put submit, it's showing me welcome. So this is how my code is running, and this is how I create a login page using PHP and database. Thanks for watching.